This welcome back to the video, and I have a new boat. Just come down in this small house. So this is new boat. So this is it. Oh, it's hard to make it, and the horn is not attached. So cool, and I attached the horn now. And the pole, I don't have the blower yet. I will make a great blower. So let's go back to this house. Hello. Oh, so this is the switch. I remove everything, so it's now good. So I cannot touch this, and I'm gonna stick this. Stick this. What are you doing to the cat? What the? Okay, this is the boat. I don't have attached this box yet, the side box. Thank you guys for watching this video. This is the core. This is a chore, the quick short. So see you in the another video with I hit 20 subscribers. I will put that last piece box. So see you at my YouTube channel. If you like my channel, please like and subscribe to my channel. If you don't miss my videos, just like and subscribe. Bye.